Robson Conceição set to go down against Shaquille Foster. The two already fought. This is WBC World Super Featherweight title. When they fought for the first time, it was a super close fight. And we've seen a pretty much razor close split decision win on the end of Robson Conceição. I believe this time it ain't going to be much of a different fight. Conceição did really well, but when I rewatched that fight, I thought Foster won. Actually, I'm not too knowledgeable with boxing rules, but I really thought Foster made more damage. And in boxing, it's kind of hard to score rounds, and it's kind of hard to see who made a greater amount of damage. But I'm going to tell you one thing. I believe this time Foster is going to avenge the loss, so I'm saying Foster decision. But my official prediction is over 8.5. I don't see a stoppage in this fight. I really can't see a stoppage. It's going to be a razor close fight like it used to be for the first time.